comedian Joly announced the sad news on Twitter on Tuesday, simply writing, "My mum died today." He also shared a selection of photos of his beloved mum, Yvonne, through the years on Instagram. Along with the photographs, Dom added in the caption, "Yvonne Joly 1929 to 2023. The comments section was quickly filled with well wishes from his celebrity friends, including Nigella Lawson, who wrote, "I'm so very sorry. May her memory be a blessing." Homes Under the Hammer's Lucy Alexander echoed, "Nothing can ever prepare you for this. So sad for you, Dom. Sending love." Actor Tom Price spent, "Dom, I'm so sorry. Sending love," while footballer Trevor Sinclair said, "No words, broken heart emoji." And author Satnam Sanghera added, "I'm so sorry for your loss, Dom X." Dom was born in Beirut, Lebanon, to Yvonne and John Joly. Yvonne was his second wife and they split when Dom was 18. Dom's father John sadly died in 2011. Dom previously described his upbringing as idyllic. Apart from the war and from the age of 7 he split his time between Lebanon and boarding school in Oxford. In the same interview with The Guardian, the TV personality said he had a really good relationship with his mum. He continued, "I see my mum a lot. But in terms of being a grandma, she's so English and hands-off and doesn't know what to do with small children. My wife is Canadian, and her mum is an Uber mother-in-law. My wife can't believe what my family are like." He also said that his parents were quite detached and he had a nanny while he was growing up. Dom is married to graphic designer Stacey McDougall and they share 2 children, Jackson and Parker. Dom previously told Mail Online that he worries about having an empty nest when his kids leave home. He said, "My next worry is the empty nest. I think about it every day. My daughter is in her 2nd year at Oxford. I wept like a baby after dropping her off at university. My son is doing his A-levels, but has out quite a lot now. So occasionally my wife and I stare at each other going, is this it?" Dom is best known as the star of Trigger Happy TV and for taking part in I'm a Celebrity. Get Me Out of Here, in 2010, finishing 4th.